First, open the Start menu. In the search bar, type Services. Click on the Services app that appears at the top of the list. Next, locate the Windows Time service in the list. Scroll down, find it, and double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click the Start button to run it. Then click OK to apply the changes. Once that's done, you can close the window. Another option is to right-click on the taskbar, select Date and Time, and then click on the Sync Now button. Check if that resolves the problem. If the issue persists, we can reset or re-register the Windows Time service. To do this, open the Start menu again, type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt, selecting Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. I'll share a series of commands in the video description that you can use in the command prompt. First, you'll stop the Windows Time service. This is important because it allows us to make changes without interference. After you do this, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the service has been stopped. Next, you'll unregister the Windows Time service. This step ensures that any previous configurations are cleared out. Once you paste this command, you should receive a message confirming that the service has been unregistered. Now, it's time to register the Windows Time service again. This step reinstates the service with the correct settings. You'll get a confirmation message that it has been successfully registered. After registering the service, you'll start the Windows Time service again. This brings it back online so it can start syncing time. Finally, you'll run one last command to prompt the service to resync with Internet time. After this command, you should see a message confirming that the synchronization process was completed successfully. Finally, close the command prompt and restart your computer, and the issue should be resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.